Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lainey. To the side of me is my 11-month-old Isla, and today's video we are going to be unboxing our new Lovevery box. I'm not sure what this one's called, but Isla has not realized what this is, but she's looking in it now. Yeah, she loves getting these boxes and we really enjoy them. I've actually had this for a couple days now, and oh, the sticker's covering it, so I can't see what it's called. When I open it, it'll tell me. But we've had this for a couple of days now, and I just haven't gotten around to filming this video. So today's actually Valentine's Day. So this is like Isla's Valentine's Day present. And this is actually her first holiday, which is kind of sad. But yeah, anyways, let's just get right into it. Are you excited? Oh, say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. See how cute is her little Valentine's Day outfit. She's playing with her Valentine's Day cat that my grandmother got her. And there's our little cat Poppy scene. Isla loves cats. But okay, let's open the box. So this one is called The Thinker. This box is super heavy. We've gotten, I think this is our 4th box. So I paid for 3 up front, and I thought that I wasn't gonna get the discount anymore when I paid for this one, but I actually still get a discount since I bought like the packs. But anyways, that's what is included in the box. So it's upside down, and it tells you like in what way you should introduce it. I'm really excited about the animal book, the wooden peg drop, and the opposite balls. I think those will be fun. And I think Isla's really gonna like the sliding top box. But this is The Thinker for 11 to 12 months. This is her last box that comes every other month or every 2 months. After this box, it's like the bigger boxes. So this is what the box, all the toys look like. We got the baby doll. Cute. There's your baby. Do you like that baby? What do you think of that baby? Oh, that's so nice. That's a baby. Can you give the baby a hug? Oh. Can you give the baby a hug? Oh, that's so nice. Say nice, baby. Oh, she loves the baby doll. That's such a nice baby. Aw, guys. She just had the biggest smile on her face when she saw that baby. That's so cute. What's going on in my background right now? I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was a little weird. But anyways, that was really cute, her reaction. Oh, this is new. Notes to my child, letters for a future you. Childhood memories. Oh, wait, this is so cute. It's like a bunch of envelopes, and I guess you can put like letters to your baby. I didn't know this was in the box, because I guess this is like her 1-year box. It says hopes and dreams, tales and memories, a booklet of letters for your child. Right now, tuck away, open later. That's really cute. I haven't watched anyone like open these boxes, so I don't know if this is new. It says happy birthday, baby, and happy anniversary to you. Let's say it together. This birthday is a big deal. Well, it's so fun to celebrate your baby. I want to take a moment to celebrate you. Oh, that's really nice. Actually, thanks, Jessica, founder of Lovevery. That's cute. I didn't know that was in there, and I don't know if that's new or not, but I'm definitely going to put that in her box of things. Okay, so we have the warnings. I love looking through these play guides because, like last box, there's this tube thing, and honestly, guys, I still don't know what you're supposed to do with it. So I like this because it tells you what you're supposed to do with the toys. So I keep this in like but we have these plastic bins that I keep her toys in, and I keep like the current box in one of those plastic bins, and I'll keep that in there too so I know what to do. So let's go in order of what you're supposed to use. So Isla already has her baby that she loves. You love your baby. And then the first thing that you're supposed to give them is this little Animals IC book. This is really tiny. Lovevery's like books are not my favorite. I just think there's better quality books, but Isla will like this because she likes little things. Isla, look. What's that? Is that a cat? Is that a cat? What do you think of that? Isla loves books. Cat? Cat, yeah. What's that? Is that a dog? You say woof. Oof, oof. Oof. Okay, that's cute. Like I said, Lovevery's. My background just did it again, or am I going crazy? Anyways, like I said, I don't love their books. Isla loves books, so she doesn't care. Next is the baby, which she already has, and the opposite balls, which are in the, oh. Okay, so this one's heavy and this one's light. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on the floor so you guys can see what Isla thinks. Can mommy see that? Oh, that's heavy. Is that cool? Is that cool that that one's so heavy and this one's so light? Oh, she just wants her cat. Okay. I'm actually think if this angle isn't awful, I'm gonna leave you guys right here so I can make it easier to switch between me and Isla. Okay, so the opposite balls. Next is the organic sensory pouch, which this is another thing where I'm like, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this, but I'm sure Isla, once I read about it, Isla will figure it out. This is like kind of silicone, and this is cute. What do you think of this, Beans? What do you think? This is, since I don't really know what you're supposed to do with it, I do think she might be a little bit young for this. So after this thing is sliding, this thing is slides, and there's another one of these balls. I cannot tell you how many Lovevery balls. This is like the 17th one we have. This is the 4th sophomore, and we have like 7 hard ones because I have the target for Lovevery toy. She already wants to play with this. Look. Look. Good job. I think she's really gonna like this toy once she like figures it out. What do you think? After the sliding thing, I was still playing with it. After the sliding thing is the pincher box. This is so cute. This is something I would have loved as a child because I loved small things. It's wrapped up. Ugh, I can't get it. Ah, there we go. Okay, it's wrapped up and it's just literally a block. Oh, hi. Oh, don't do that. It's okay. It's literally just a pincher. I don't know what I thought it was. Can you do it? Can you get it? Oh. The challenge will be her getting it back in. So she'll be able to get it out, no issue. But getting it back in. Oh, that's good. That's good. You just have it the wrong way. But that's okay. Oh, it's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, I don't know what this little green box is. Let's see, beans. Oh, it's the pegs for the peg drop, which is the last thing in the box. So it just looks like this, and Isla's definitely too young for this, but you just put the pegs in. Like, I don't even really want to give her this yet. And then, so she'll like that. I'm not going to give this to her now just because, like I said, she's too young and these make me nervous. Isla just turned 11 months old, so this box is for 11 to 12. So she's still like fresh to this box. But she's playing with the opposite balls right now. I think though she really likes the heavy one. She's trying to put it into the the ball drop. But guys, that is it for today's video. We love Lovevery boxes. I have a link down below that you can use to get money off your first box and or like starter kit. So if you want to get Lovevery, make sure to use that link. But guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions on the boxes that we've gotten before, I have videos about all the past boxes that we've had. Isla and I love these boxes. It's nice that I still buy her toys. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I still buy her toys, but I like that I know these toys are like good for her noggin. So yeah. But anyways, that's it. Make sure to subscribe. Go check out those other videos and leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.